Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how you can private all photos on Facebook, or all your videos, or all your posts, what you prefer. Alright, first go to the menu right in the bottom and then tap on the wheel right in the top. From here, scroll down to your activity and then tap on activity log. Alright, from here you can choose public post, public text, or page things, everything you need. But if you want to private all photos, I want to choose public posts. Then from here you will see that you will see your posts, photos and videos, and I just posted one single thing, so I can tap on all. And from here, if I tap on the three dots just right there, I can change audience by clicking on that and then tap on change audience again, and now I can change it to only me. Now I tap on change and I just changed the photos or posts or videos on my account all to private, because that is only me. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.